Good morning, all of you. This is Rachna Saxena from Faculty of Education, Tirthankar Mavi University, Moradota. In my previous lecture, I have described the main objective of UNESCO. In the present lecture, I will describe the main functions of UNESCO. UNESCO main functions in teacher education involves a range of activities aimed at improving the quality, accessibility and effectiveness of teacher training systems globally. So here are some key functions. The very first function is policy development and advocacy. UNESCO play a crucial role in shaping global policies related to teacher education. One of its primary functions is the formulation and advocacy of policies that promote effective teacher education and continuous professional development. By collaborating with governments, education institutions and other stakeholders, UNESCO helps to create policies that ensure teachers are well prepared to meet the challenges of modern education. These policies often emphasize the importance of ongoing professional development, equitable access to education, and the integration of innovative teaching methods. Additionally, UNESCO sets and promotes international standards and guidelines for teacher education and professional competencies. These global standards serve as benchmark for quality in teacher education, ensuring that teachers worldwide possesses the necessary skills and knowledge to deliver high quality education. Now my next function is capacity building. Capacity building is another key function of UNESCO in teacher education. UNESCO supports the development and making strong of teacher training institutions and systems by providing technical assistance, guidance, and resources. This includes helping institutions design and implement effective enhancing infrastructure and developing the capacity of educational leaders and administrators. UNESCO also facilitates and coordinates faculty development programs, workshops, and the seminars for teachers and educators to enhance the skill and the knowledge of educators, enabling them to adapt new teaching methods, integrate technology into their classroom, and address the diverse needs of their children. By building the capacity of teacher training institutions and educators, UNESCO ensures that the teachers are equipped to provide high quality education to all the children. Now my next point is development of curriculum and the resources. UNESCO plays a significant role in the development of and revision of the teacher education curriculum to ensure that they are relevant, up to date, and aligned with current educational needs. UNESCO assists countries in designing curricula not only focus on subject matter expertise but also on pedagogical skills, classroom management, and the use of technology in education. In addition to curriculum development, UNESCO is involved in creating and disseminating educational resources, including teaching guides, textbooks, and digital materials. These resources are designed to support teachers in delivering effective instruction. Educational resources ensure that teacher education programs are comprehensive and effective. Now my next point is research and data collection. Research and data collections are integral to UNESCO approach to improve teacher education. UNESCO conducts and supports research on various aspects of teacher education, including best practices, challenges, and innovation. This research is essential for informing policy decisions, improving teacher training programs, and addressing the specific needs of different educational contexts. UNESCO also collects and analyzes data on teacher education and training system globally. This data-driven approach allows UNESCO to identify trends, monitor progress, and guide decision-making process. By providing evidence-based insight, UNESCO ensures that teacher education policies and practices are informed by accurate and relevant information, leading to more effective and targeted interventions. Now my next point is global collaboration and partnership. Global collaboration is at the heart of UNESCO work in teacher education. UNESCO foster international cooperation and partnership to share knowledge, best practices and resources among countries and international educational institutions. These collaboration enable countries to learn from each other's experiences and to develop more effective teacher education programs. UNESCO also play a key role in developing and supporting global framework and initiatives that address common challenges in teacher education. These global efforts help to harmonize standards, promote innovation, and ensure that all the countries have access to the resources and expertise needed to improve their teacher education system. Through these partnerships, UNESCO promotes a collective approach to address global educational challenges. My next point is promotion of inclusive education. UNESCO is committed to promote inclusive education, ensure that all the individuals have equitable access to quality teacher education. This involves advocating for teacher education practices that are inclusive of marginalized and disadvantaged groups, such as those from low-income communities, rural areas, and minority backgrounds. UNESCO also emphasizes gender equality in teacher education, supporting initiatives that address barriers faced by women and girls in pursuing teaching careers. By promoting inclusivity and equity, UNESCO aims to create a more diverse and representative teaching workforce which is better equipped to meet the needs of all the students. My next point is encouragement of innovation. Innovation in teaching practice is essential for improving educational outcomes, and UNESCO actively encourages pedagogical innovations within the teacher education. This includes promotion, the use of new teaching methodologies, integrating technology into classroom, and exploring creative approaches to instruction. UNESCO supports the dissemination of best practices and successful models of teacher education from around the world, enabling educators to stop and adapt these innovations to their own context. By fostering a culture of innovation, UNESCO helps to ensure that teachers are prepared to meet the demands of a rapidly changing educational landscape. My next point is advocacy for lifelong learning. UNESCO advocates for lifelong learning as a fundamental principle in teacher education. This involves promoting ongoing professional development opportunities for the teachers, enabling them to continue update their skills and knowledge throughout their careers. UNESCO supports the development of career pathways and specialization options within the teaching profession, allowing educators to advance their careers and take on new roles. By encouraging lifelong learning, UNESCO ensures that teachers remain effective and adaptable, capable of responding to new challenges and changes in the education environment. Next point is monitoring and evaluation. Monitoring and evaluation are critical components of UNESCO work in teacher education. UNESCO develops and implements systems for monitoring and evaluating teacher education programs to ensure they meet quality standards and are effective in improving educational outcomes. These evaluation systems provide valuable feedback to education institutions and policymakers, helping them to identify areas for the improvement and to refine their programs. UNESCO also provides recommendations and support to enhance the effectiveness of teacher education practices and policies, ensuring that they are responsive to the needs of educators as well as the students. My next point is educational support and technical assistance. UNESCO offers technical support and guidance to countries and institutions in developing and implementing effective teacher education programs. This includes providing expertise, resources, and capacity building initiatives to address specific needs and challenges in teacher education. UNESCO's technical assistant projects are tailored to the unique context of different countries, ensuring that solutions are relevant and sustainable. By offering this support, UNESCO helps to build stronger teacher education systems that are capable of delivering high quality education to all the students. By these comprehensive functions, UNESCO aims to improve teacher education system globally, ensuring that educators are well equipped to provide quality education and contribute to the overall development of their students as well as communities. Now my next point is educational activities undertaken by UNESCO. So here are the activities undertaken by UNESCO. I will describe them point by point. UNESCO develops and advocates policies that promote effective teacher education and professional development worldwide. It supports the making a strong progress process of teacher training institutions and system through capacity building initiatives including curriculum design and the infrastructure improvement. It designs and facilitates professional development programs, workshops, and seminars to enhance teachers' skill and knowledge. UNESCO assists in designing and revising teacher education curricula to align with current educational needs and standards. UNESCO develops and disseminates educational resources, including guides and materials, to support effective teaching and learning practices. UNESCO conducts and supports research on teacher education practices, challenges, and innovations to inform and improve education policies and practice. UNESCO collects and analyzes data on teacher education system to guide decision making and enhance educational practices. It's foster international collaboration and partnership to share knowledge, best practices and sources in teacher education. UNESCO promotes inclusive education to ensure equitable access for marginalized and disadvantaged groups. UNESCO advocates for gender equality in teacher education and support initiatives that address barriers faced by women and girls. UNESCO encourages and supports innovative teaching methodologies and the integration of technology in teacher education. UNESCO shares best practices and successful models of teacher education from various countries to improve global educational practices. UNESCO promotes lifelong learning opportunities and continuous professional development for the teachers to ensure their ongoing growth and adaptation. UNESCO develops and implements system for monitoring and evaluating teacher education programs to ensure quality and effectiveness. UNESCO provides teaching assistance and guidance to the countries and the institutions in developing and implementing effective teacher education programs. UNESCO implements projects and initiatives that address specific needs and challenges in teacher education at the international or national levels. UNESCO supports the integration of education for sustainable development (ESD) into teacher training programs to equip educators with the skill to promote sustainability in their teaching practices. UNESCO advocates for the inclusion of global citizen education (GCED) in teacher training, helping educators foster values of peace, human rights, and cultural understanding. It facilitates the exchange of education resources and strategies among the countries to bridge gap in teacher education quality as well as the access. UNESCO works for government to develop policies and ensure teachers are trained to address the need of the children with disabilities and special educational needs. UNESCO promotes the use of open educational resources (OER) in teacher education, ensuring that teachers have access to free and high quality education materials. UNESCO supports initiative aimed at improving the mental health and the well-being of teachers through training and the resources on stress management and work-life balance. It collaborates with educational technology companies to provide training for the teachers on the effective use of digital tools and platform in education. UNESCO encourages the adoption of multilingual education in teacher training to support the linguistic and the cultural diversity of them. It assists in the development of teacher leadership programs to empower them to take on leadership role within their schools and the communities. UNESCO promotes research on the impact of teacher education programs for the students' learning outcomes to ensure that training is effective and result oriented. Next is UNESCO support the development of regional teacher education network to facilitate collaboration and knowledge sharing across different countries and regions. It advocates for the recognition and professionalization for the teaching profession, ensuring that teachers are valued and respected in our society. UNESCO collaborates with the universities and the research institutions to develop advanced degree and the certification program for the educators seeking to specialize in the area like STEM, inclusive education or the education leadership. Next point is UNESCO promotes the use of formative assessment in teacher training, helping educators develop skills in assessing and supporting students' learning throughout the instruction process. UNESCO supports the development of competency-based teacher education programs that focus on the practical skills teachers need to be effective in the classroom. Next point is UNESCO helps the countries to develop strategies to address teacher shortage, particularly in rural and under-reserved areas, by supporting recruitment, training, and the retention efforts. UNESCO for the inclusion of digital literacy in teacher education curriculum, ensuring that teachers are prepared to teach in the digital age. It promotes the development of teacher mentorship programs where experienced educators support and guide new teachers in their professional growth. UNESCO supports efforts to integrate arts and culture into teacher education, recognizing the importance of creative expression in holistic education. It collaborates with international organizations to address global challenges in teacher education, such as the impact of conflict and displacement on education system. Now, my next point is UNESCO works to ensure that teacher education programs incorporate strategies for teaching in diverse and multicultural classrooms, preparing them to meet the needs of all the students. UNESCO promotes the importance of early childhood education (ECE) in teacher training, ensuring that educators are equipped to support young children's development and learning. UNESCO supports the development of teacher education programs that emphasizes critical thinking and problem solving and the other 21st century skills. UNESCO facilitates the integration of indigenous knowledge and practices into teacher education, promoting cultural relevant pedagogy. UNESCO advocates for fair and equitable teacher education system that support professional growth and development. UNESCO supports the development of global teacher education benchmark to help the countries measure progress and identify areas for improvement in their teaching training programs. This is all about UNESCO. In my next lecture, I will discuss many other things related to it. Thank you. Thank you so much.